So we have this brand new Nissan, and it's a Kicks. And we just put this camera in, and we're going to show you how to do it in 3, 2. Come listen to my podcast. 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 Podcast. 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 Listen to my podcast. Here's what we have today. Nissan. And we're putting in that with some wiring to make sure you have parking mode. And whoever's brilliant idea was to put this as your only cover. There's no plastic here. This is straight metal. Look at this. I don't know whose brilliant idea was this, but I pulled this out, and what I find funny, even funnier, is that looks like rust. This is a brand new car, and that looks like rust. That is hilarious. This is a brand new, I'm not even joking you, dude. This is a 25. It already has rust. That's awesome. Not my problem, that's my problem. So let's put this in, unbox it, and show you that we can hide this wire. Now if I have to show you how to remove this, this is just a sticky piece of paper. I don't know whose crazy idea was this, but I already started running wires. Here's my zip tie, and I'm gonna leave that goo because it'll help me put it back. So I pulled this out, and like I said, rust. Not my problem. So I'm gonna cut this tape back so I can run this wire up through. And we have Eureka. Came up this way, and we're gonna pull. You see, I'm gonna pull it through with play, pull, pry, turn, twist, and get this thing through. Carefully, Wesley. See, could get snagged on wires. So let's get them out. All right, yeah. And while it's still taped, let's pull this through and go up into here. And we're gonna pull it back later once we get this thing mounted. You see? So we're gonna mount it just like this. Wires on the driver's side. And we're gonna use this piece of little felt to put it right back, and let me show you what it looks like. Listen, it's not the end of the world, but it ain't too bad either. So there you go. So let's put this back and continue forward. I'm telling you, you gotta get this thing. So as I pulled back on the plastic, this was tucked away. So I came in like a savior, put him in, and pulled it out in my hand so I can get caught. I can run it right through. Good, good. Now I would put this back. Obviously after you put this back, just push it right in. Now, same tool, love this thing. Go right around the headliner. See that? I love it. So let's keep this attached and let's go run to the front. So behind this door, we're going to prepare ourselves. So as we run forward, I want this off a bit so I can run right between this. Or actually, right between this. Alright, so it's loosened up. It looks like the headliner is actually tough stuff behind this thing, which is fine. I don't care because I just want just enough to run the wire right behind it. So we'll tuck the wire up in the headliner like this. And yes, it is behind the airbag because this is a channel and the airbag goes down the other way. So let's snake this through like that. And we should pop out the other side. There we go. So let's go play. While pulling the plastic back, pulling the wire out, you have it right in your hand. You see? And now let's put this up into the headliner. Just like that. And continue on. Make sense? Good. Don't forget to put that screw back. Got it? Good. So we don't need that wire. the cigarette lighter plug, because we have this wire. Let's go get everything and start mapping out where we're going to put this. Put the seat back, the wire out of your hand. Let's start playing. Air, please. It is 89 degrees out. So let's map out our game plan. Undo the tape. We're going to put this, attach this, and let's put it on the windshield and play and see where it's going to land. I like the idea that they sit here. You want to get away from the dot matrix, right? And just right under there, like just like that. So it's still a little off-centered, and I'll show you why. If you look closely, it's just off-centered, but when you have the mirror down and you're sitting here, it's still out of your view there. So, and you get to tuck the wires up right up here. So let's start doing that. So for you master trollers, I put it back behind the airbag like that. Now pulling this off, real simple. Look at this. It just literally popped it right out. That's it. It just popped it right out. Leave it sit. Now let's tape this to the other wire and run them both through. So we're going to grab our broken fiber stick and go on the passenger side, because we want to tuck these wires up in here, because apparently Nissan doesn't like having any type of thing around the mirror that would allow us to attach to. So we're going to go and just stuff them so we can go up into the headliner. Good? Good. All right, so this thing just popped straight out, which I'm fine with, because that's all we need. And we'll just stuff the wires right back in here and put it right back up. Make sense? Good. Makes sense. So there you have it. And then put this right back up where you found it. Just align them, and it should pop back into, there you go. Now it comes off even more. There you go. Good, good. Look, I'm even doing it from the passenger side. Just stuff the wire up into the headliner, come back around, pull your slack, and now we go back to the driver's side. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go get our wonderful seat, but before that, I'm gonna show you how to pop this little fuse thing off. This little door, sort of like up and out, after you just pull it. Got it? Good. Now I'm going to show you how to take this dash off, because I want to get to that ground. We're going to take these two bills, but let's go get our seat. And this is how you take out the under dash. 210 mils. Right here. Up under the little hood release that I popped by accident. It has to come out towards you anyway. See him at the end over here? Two little holes. There you go. Now, you can start pulling and get this door off, because this is attached to it. So you can use something like this. We're going to get this dash off. Come on. Get this out of our hand. See? That's attached. Now, there's a little overhang right here. There you go. Now, this side has nothing. But as we come down, let's get to the finishing point. Just align that in the dash. See those little legs at the end? Alright. And then this will just pop in as long as you align everything. See? Just like that. Now let's find which one we have here. Okay, we're gonna have this one. Let's find what we need, because this car has nothing but ignition. So let's look at it this way. Let's find maybe USB charge. Power windows, we'll see. A lot of these are still hot nowadays. Audio amp, we'll see. Let's pry. Here's what we're going to do. Power socket for our turn on, and audio amp, or just about anything you pick for hot. I mean, literally anything. But you can even do audio. Stop lamp, I wouldn't want to do that. That's hazardous. Maybe door locks. You can probably even do that, but USB charge seems to be intermittent. It's like it falls asleep. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do aux connection, and we're gonna do power socket, because aux connection is right here in the corner. And that seems to be hot. And then power socket is right here in the corner as well. And that is on ignition. Good? Good. And that is how it should look when you're done. Bottom right, fuse. That's your accessory. Top right, top left, fuse is your hot. We're going to take all this stuff, put one lonely zip tie on it, and you can do all that. I mean, come on. You came this far, you can do that. Just, there you go, just like this. All up on itself. One zip tie right here in the corner. And stuff it all right there. So, you can handle that, right? After all this, good. Now, let's see if it works. Ooh, we got power. We got Nissan. Let's see, let's see. All right, yeah. A little long. But there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.